Hello, I'm Chip Lyons, President and CEO of the Elizabeth Glaser Pediatric AIDS Foundation. I hope you and your loved ones are healthy and safe. In 2020, the world has changed for all of us in ways that we could not have envisioned. Today, we're responding to an evolving HIV and AIDS epidemic, as well as confronting the spread of COVID-19. Due to this global health crisis, we cannot meet in person this year for our annual fundraising event, A Time for Heroes. But the work must continue. Across our digital platforms, we're honoring the health workers on the front lines who ensure vital HIV services continue despite the challenges of COVID-19. We are inspired by their leadership and resilience. I would like to thank our generous sponsors, including Willa Bay and Bob Iger, Vive Healthcare, Disney, the James and Deborah Burrows Foundation, and Gilead. We are grateful to our partners and champions for your continued support. I'm confident that we will face these challenges head-on and navigate them together as we fight for an AIDS-free generation. Thank you again for all that you do for us.
More than 30 years ago, the Elizabeth Glaser Pediatric AIDS Foundation was founded to confront the devastating impact of HIV and AIDS on children, youth, and families.
Today, help us call attention to an issue many still want to ignore.
And with your support, we have virtually eliminated pediatric AIDS in the U.S. and reduced new pediatric infections globally by 50%. Our annual A Time for Heroes event was started to respond to the emergency facing children and families living with HIV and AIDS, and has raised more than $30 million towards life-saving research, advocacy, and service delivery programs. But in 2020, the world changed for all of us. This year, we are honoring the frontline workers that are helping every day in the fight for an AIDS-free generation while also confronting COVID-19. We have expanded virtual health services, adjusted treatment delivery options, and provided protective equipment to health workers at thousands of our health sites. Never before have we had such a need for heroes to combat the coronavirus, which is an even greater threat to vulnerable communities living with or at risk of HIV. We were there when the HIV pandemic began, and we are here today. 2020 is the year we honor heroes helping heroes. You can be a hero by supporting the many nurses, clinicians, doctors, and peer counselors fighting 2 pandemics to save lives. Even if we can't come together to celebrate, we can take a stand against AIDS and the coronavirus together. Thank you for being our hero when we need you most. Donate at pedaids.org.